How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can solve this Xbox 360 live login issue. Now, basically, when you encounter this problem, of course, the first thing that you want to check is the server of Xbox itself, making sure that it is working properly. From there, while you're at it, you can also check the internet connection for your Xbox, making sure that you are connected with your internet connection. And then basically from there, let's try this three simple steps in order to fix the problem. So basically, first things first, we want to use an app password because Xbox 360 does not support modern two-step verification prompts. So to do this, you want to log in with your Microsoft account on a browser, go to security, advanced security options, find the app passwords, and then basically from there, you could just create a new password and then use this unique 16 character code as your password on the Xbox 360. Now that's going to be extremely simple. The second one is to delete and re-download your profile. So basically, let's head over to the settings of our Xbox, system, storage, all devices, gamer profiles, and then you want to delete the problematic profile by selecting the delete profile only. You want to select the download profile from the dashboard and re-enter your credentials. Basically, you want to use the app password if the 2FA is active. And lastly, you want to clear system cache because this can resolve general console glitches. Basically, in storage, highlight any device and then press Y. Select clear cache system and then you want to click on confirm, and basically from there, you are good to go. Once again, the last step right here will resolve most of your general console glitches or problems. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. As